Hello, I'm going to teach you 5 easy words, Ndebele words that you can start using today and boost your vocabulary, boost your confidence in speaking. IsiNdebele sikamzilikazi. Number 1, gida. It means dance. Okay. Uyakwazi ukugida. Do you know how to dance? Okay. Number 2, hleka. Hleka means laugh. Uhlekani. What are you laughing at? Ngihleka wena. I am laughing at you. Okay? Number 3, buyela. Buyela means go back. Buyela esikolo. Go back to school. Number 4, hamba. It's very common. This is a very common word in Ndebele. Hamba means go. Hamba wedwa. Go alone. Uhamba lobani. Whom are you going with? Hamba wena. You go. Okay. And lastly, viga. Viga means dodge. Here is a question. Uvigani. What are you dodging? Ngiviga ibola. I'm dodging the ball. Okay, let's continue learning Ndebele. Let me know if you have any questions and have a lovely day.